We are now in the old town of Brasov. We take a walk.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to our channel. This is a perfect view to wake up every morning.
Probably today we will go back to Brasov and visit a little bit more of them. So stay with us and enjoy this beautiful view. We are going now to the Gondola. We want to go up on the ski resort.
We are going up. This is my first time.
We have to climb 7 minutes. We are now at 30%. This is beautiful. Look at this. And we arrived. Go. In Azuga it's 900 meters and now we are up at 1,500 meters.
Now we are going down to Azuga. That was.
And we go to eat something.
And drink a good coffee. I hope.
And then
We
I
go
hope
visit Brasov.
that we go to Brasov. It's time to eat. So, bon appetit. Thank you, Azuga Ski and Bike Resort.
This is our breakfast.
After our short trip with the gondola on the top,
We are going to Brasov.
so let's go.
Bye.
arrived at moto24.ro and I buy this cover for my Transalp because mine are broken because it was very old. So this was 160 lei, 35 euro I think. So great news. This is the Black Church from Brasov. We are now in the old town of Brasov. We take a walk to see what we find here. Now we are filming each other. He's filming me with the GH5 and I eat a pizza.
You eat too much.
It's not your business what I eat and when I eat.
Fuck you.
Ce faci tu? This is Brasov. Buy now tickets and we go up to Râșnov Citadel. Romanian style. There is Poiana Brașov, from where we came down. We came back down from the Râșnov Citadel and we stopped to eat something here by a terrace. We are now here. Restaurant Terasa pe Valle. The food is coming, so
that was for today. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Bye!
bye, good night.